Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the online shopping haul, and I owe this splurge to Angela. Hi Angela, if you're watching from Serendipity Arts, so check out her channel, Angela from Serendipity Arts. She, that's one word, Angela, not one word, that's the title, Angela Serendipity Arts. Anyway, until I sent you, she posted a video, and it was an enabler video of La La Land stamps, and I don't see too many people posting the hauls or whatever, but she happened to, and I like La La Land, and I have some, and she posted a haul and said they were discounting and discontinuing some of their stamps, and so anywhere from 50 to 80% off, so I said, well, let me go check, these ones gonna be discontinued, and I went over there and I had a field day. So yeah, I had like 30 items in my cart. The prices were really good. I mean, the majority were $3.99, which they're normally $12, so that's a good deal. $11.99 down to $3.99. That's very affordable for a 4-inch tall stamp for $3.99 is a really good price. So I went over there and I checked them out, and I'm going to show you what I got. So a couple of things they had to refund me because they weren't there, and again, I let my cart sit for a day, probably like 2 days before I hit send, but they got here really fast, and so yeah, so with it, I was really excited that I got what I got, because like I said, I was waiting, trying to decide if I wanted to get them or not, and I did, and because it was a really good price. So, and they were really, and I like the quality of the stamps. They're rubber stamps, so the detail is, good when you have rubber stamps, red rubber stamps. That means your detail is going to be crisp, and they do stamp very crisp. But the ones that I already own stamp very crisp, and I paid more than what I paid for these. So I was like, oh yes. So thank you, Angela, for getting me in trouble. So I went over there and I looked them up, and I will show you what I got, and I will tell you the prices. So I already broke them up in categories. I had them in the plastic. They came in 2 big containers like this, but it's a little noisy, so I took them out. So this one that was 50% off. The rest, are way more off. But this one was $6.99. But I got her, and it says, "You mean the world to me, and the world is yours." Again, she's a 4-inch stamp, and it's 3 technically stamps here, but it's on one red piece, and it's a clean mount stamp, so you can cut these pieces off, or you can leave them up there. You can tape her up, you can take one of the sentiments up, however you want to do that, put a piece of washi on it when you stamp it out, or you can cut this off and have 3 separate pieces, which is typically what I do. So that is the first one. Again, that's the most expensive one that I paid for, but she's a cutie. The next most expensive was $4.99. So these is only one in each one of these categories. One $6.99 and one $4.99, and then all the rest of mine are $3.99 and below. So this is Seasons of Greeting, Warm Winter Wishes, and I just thought her little dress was really cute. She had 2 little pleats, so I got her. And again, you do the same thing. You cut those sentiments off right there. These are clean stamps, so if you're not familiar with red rubber, sorry about the noise if you don't like it, is that you have that foam right there, so it cushions it when you stamp, and you also have that the piece you can peel off right there to make it stick. So you have that. So those are the 2 most expensive ones, and I'm going to show you the category. The next most expensive. So this is $3.99. Look how many I got for this. 3, 6. I got 9 for $3.99. Good price. I mean, and cute little girls, and you could do just like you think about the gorgeous girls. Same thing you could do with the La La Land. So many, cards, iCads, and all that kind of stuff that you can do. Your planner, whatever. So this says, "Choose happy, you're awesome, just be you." So again, that's 3 sentiments and 1 stamp for $3.99. And red rubber, we know, stamps very crisp and detailed. I was kind of on the fence about her, but I got her. Just because she's younger, I thought. And it says, "Happy birthday, cutie pie. So sweet of you, you make me happy." This was called Awesome. If I give you the name, this one was called Winter Wishes, and this was called World Marcy. So these are mainly Marcy. And so that's her. And again, she's the same height, 4 inches. She's a little bit smaller. I'm going to just stick the ruler. I don't know where to stick my ruler at. Oh, here it is. I'm in the plastic. So she is actually she's 3 inches, a little, maybe 3 1/4, 3 1/2. whereas the other ones are 4 inches. And so I got him, and this is Winter Baby Luca, and again this is Cutie Pie Baby Marcy. So these are different stages of her age. And so again, I got him, because, again, same thing like with her. You can paint them different, color them different colors. And I like the fact that, he's dressed up so you can make him, any ethnicity as you like. And this one says, Snow Much Fun, you're a Snow Cutie. So again, just having some boy stamps, is rare to have. So I was excited to get that. Now again, these are $3.99. So this is Renaissance Marcy. It says You're Majestic. So you got her in her little period dated dress. And then this one is Marcy with Dinosaur. It says Take Care and You Rock. I thought her hair was cute, and of course it made me think of Bam Bam, my childhood. But y'all people don't know about that. La La Land Crafts, have a lovely day. And this says Lovely Marcy. And she's just being cute. This one is, what's the name of it? Oh, it just says Paper Doll Marcy Steampunk. That's the actual name of it, but of course it's steampunk, and that's what made me get it. It says Dare to Dream, a new dream, and that's one of my favorite sayings is Dare to Dream. I used to say that before Dare to Dream was even popular, like 20 years ago. The time is now. So we got 2 sentiments with that. And again, nice size stamp. Here's another one with Luca. It says Sleeping Baby Luca, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and Precious Memories. Again, I just thought it'd be nice to have different stages. I do have another boy and girl baby, Marcy and Luca, but they're standing up in a onesie. So I thought it was cute to have him sleeping. And then this is this is Molly. It says Night Out Molly. That's the name of that one. This one doesn't have a sentiment, but she's got a little purse. So she's a little bit older. So I thought that was nice to have that variation. So again, that's the $3.99 one. Now I'm going to show you the $2.99 one. So the stack just as big here too. So I got 7 of the $2.99s, and 2 of the other ones that were missing were $2.99. So this one is You Make Me Happy, Paper Doll Marcy. So again, they're selling out. So if you are interested in getting some of these, you do need to jump on it quickly. Be Still My Heart, Paper Doll Marcy. Sweetheart is what it's called. Again, good deal for $2.99. I thought this was different, the way she's seating, she looks seated in this particular pose. So I thought that was different versus having all the stamps with somebody standing up. This is called Shining Star Marcy. Shine away, you're my shining star. So I think it'll be nice to put her on a bench or something like that, but I'll show you what I brought to go with that. So this one is Paper Doll Marcy Spring Showers with sentiment. It says April showers bring May flowers, and you can't have a rainbow without a little rain. I always tell my kids that you can't have life without pain. Stagnant water stink. So you gotta have a little pain in order to grow. Don't be shocked when things don't go your way. Keep you from being sad. I mean, it won't prevent it, but it can minimize shock when things happen. This one is called Sitting Princess Marcy. And again, she's supposed to be in the seated position, but she also looks like she's standing to me. But this one says, if the crown fits, hey, wear it. Hello, princess. So thought they were cute sentiments as well, and that would be fun to color up. And then I got this one. I love, I did martial arts, Japanese style. So when I see these clothes, I was like, oh, yes, made me think about my gi. My oldest son and I used to do martial arts. So, Happiness Critters. So I thought it was really cute. So you've got your panda, you got your fox, you got your bear, and you got your tiger. And wishing you happiness. So for $2.99, you got 4 little creatures. They are like 2 inches, 2 1/4 each. So really nice size there. You can cut them apart again. That's really 5 stamps in one. Or you can keep it together and just, like I said, put some washi on one of them and not do that. But I will cut them apart. So this is the other $2.99 one that I thought was really great to go with the Shiny Star one, because she looks seated. So she looks like she can sit on this carousel. So this one says You're Awesome, and it is called Carousel Lion. So that's a 2-piece stamp for $2.99. So again, I thought that was pretty cool. And then the last column I got was the $1.99. And I got, let's see, 3, 6, I got 9 on this one for $1.99. These are really, really great prices. I mean, to me, you just cannot beat it for $1.99. So this one is Call Me Set. Now they also have this one with just her in a larger size one by itself. I think that one was $4.99, but I thought this was a better value. I like the size. She's again 2.5 maybe inches at the tallest, but I think it's 2.25 when I measured it earlier. So she's smaller, but you get Call Me, Hello There, and Missing You. So you get 3 sentiments and the speech bubble that you can stamp on top of that. Excuse me, the sentiment on top of the speech bubble, and you have the cell phone, which you can use independently or on this, together. I think I would put her on an iCad. An iCad, but an ATC. So I thought it was a really good deal. 5-piece stamp set for $1.99, and I know it's going to stamp out really nice and detailed. So I was excited to get that. But they did have her, and I think the larger one of just her holding the cell phone without these other ones. And I think there's a 4x3, and that one was, I believe, like I said, it might have been $4.99 or $3.99. But that was limited quantity, so you might check and see if it's still there. So this one is just full of sentiments, and this is called Life is Sweet set with sentiments. So you have 1, 2, 3 flowers. Then you have Life is Sweet, time for tea. That's 1 sentiment. And take life 1 cup at a time. That's 2. You are my cup of tea. 3. A cup of get well wishes. 4. And a cup of tea warms the soul. 5. So you got 5 sentiments and 3 flowers for $1.99. Really? Can you not beat that? Look at the font, look at the size right there. So it looks just like that on the picture. So that's really an awesome value for $1.99. So I got this one, Maluka with dreidel, and it says, spin the dreidel spin, happy Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. I can get my out. Dreidel. So I thought that was really cute too. With that, I've studied Hebrew and all of that, so I love Jewish culture and things like that. Well, biblical Jewish stuff. A Festival of Lights, which again is Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah, and this says a miracle happened here, and again that's about the Festival of Lights when the menorah didn't go out, the oil didn't go out on the menorah, so they celebrated, honor that as a miracle that the Lord performed for them. So it's Marcy with menorah. That was $1.99. This was $1.99 as well too. So look, you get right here, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you get 3 sentiments. So yeah, so you get those elements as well as the sentiments. And I thought the sentiments were really cute. Keep on and snap, keep calm and snap on. I love photography. These are the moments. So this one is actually called, what does it say? Doesn't say a name on it, but I think it's called Photo. Let's see, that has the actual name. Call Me. Nope, that's the other one. $1.99. Let's see. Photo Elements. That's what that's called. But again, great price for all of those elements. Again, got some more boy stamps. Luca. So this one is Pinata Luca, and again, I love the diversity that's in this collection. So I got Jewish, I got Latino, Hispanic. It says have fun filled day, Feliz Cumpleaños, celebrate. Forgive me if I butchered it. And Luca, and so here's Pinata. So you have all of that, those elements. So I thought that was really cool. So I have a colorful family. And this one is, he says Konnichiwa, it's Japanese, and it's Luca celebrating. He has the drum, the Tekai drum, if I said that correctly. And so again, this just reminds me of a martial art days with those shoes and an outfit. And my oldest son and I both did martial arts for several years, so I might color that up for him. He didn't play the drums, but he played several instruments, so I might color that up for him. Make a card out of it. This one is Angel Luca with horn. It says joy to the world, hallelujah. And I thought this was really cool because it's a male angel, and most of the time, all you see is female angels. And to be honest, there's not one female angel listed in the Bible. All the angels in the Bible are masculine. They're all male, and they're all warriors. So I was glad to get a male one. There's no female angels. And that's not a sexist thing. Anyway, so this one is Ring Bearer Luca. And it says, with this ring I be wed. And so I got that one too. I thought it was really cute. So that was $1.99. So I thought this was a really good deal. For 80 some bucks, I got 27 stamps. I mean, that was really good. It would have been, if I'd have got everything, it would have been over 300 and some dollars. So I am excited for what I paid, and they are good stamps and they stamp very well. So I'm excited to expand my boy collection as well. So anyway, check out them out and check out Angela's channel as well. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you